Hi everybody, we're going to learn to talk about the present tense of stem changing verbs, and today we are going to work on, in particular, E to IE stem changing verbs, okay? So, for example, there are 4 types of stem changing verbs, and like I said, we're going to only work with E to IE, and what you need to note is in E to IE as well as in all stem changing verbs, you do not do the stem change in the nosotros and the vosotros form. Okay, so you're not going to change the verb in nosotros or vosotros form. And I'll repeat that later. We're going to look at verbs that have an E in the beginning of them and that are going to change to IE. And they're also going to still be conjugated. And I'll give you an example of this. So for example, if you have the verb perder, okay, and that's what we're working with here, what you'll notice is that there's an E here, and this is the E that is going to change to IE, okay? So you can see that there's an IE here, there's an IE here, an IE here, and an IE here. And you also notice that there's no IE in the nosotros form and the vosotros form, okay? And the good way to remember that is by making a little boot shape around your verbs, okay? So if it's in the boot, okay, then you change it, and if it's not in the boot, then you don't change it, okay? Isn't that a great boot? Okay, so remember, it's an E to an IE. E changes to IE, and here's the IE, here's the IE, here's the IE, here's the IE, but I still had to conjugate my verb, and this is an ER verb, so I get 2 changes now, the conjugation and the stem change. So repeat after me. Yo pierdo. Tú pierdes. Él pierde. Nosotros perdemos. Vosotros perdéis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes pierden. And this is the verb to lose. So if you want to say I lose, yo pierdo. The soccer team loses. El equipo de fútbol, well, los jugadores pierden. El equipo de fútbol pierde. Okay, so let's look at, these are more examples of verbs that have a stem change in E to IE. So these are all going to do exactly what the verb perder just did. You're going to change the E that I've highlighted in all of them to IE in the yo, tú, él, ella, usted, and then in the ellos form. Okay, remember again, it's the idea of a boot. So for example, if I wanted to conjugate the verb pensar, to think, I would say yo pienso. Tú piensas. And I can even do this, just if this helps you. Okay, erase that. So if I wanted to conjugate let's try another one together. Let's do querer. This is a verb that you'll use a lot. It means to want, okay, querer. Okay, so we're going to take querer. You're going to remove the ER, okay. You're going to change that to an IE. And then if you wanted to change it to I want, yo quiero, okay. Or if you wanted to change it to you want, same thing, drop the ER, okay. Add the E to IE and tú quieres. Why don't you try with the verb cerrar, okay, cerrar, it's a stem changing verb, E to IE, okay, just like we've been working on, but note, it's also an AR verb, okay, so you have to conjugate it like an AR verb, as, amos, ais, an, I'll write it over here, in case this is confusing you, as, amos, ais, an, okay, and remember you're only going to do the stem change inside of the boot, so don't stem change for nosotros and don't stem change for vosotros, okay. So we'll do the first one together. Ustedes. So I'm going to change my root or my stem, E to I, E, R, R, and then I'm going to conjugate my AR, and this is ustedes, so I know it has to be an, cierran. And cerrar means to close. To close. Okay? Okay, so now you try the others. Pause the video while you do it. Okay, so hopefully you've had a chance to try those now, and we're going to write in the answers. I'm going to change my pen color. Okay, tú cierras. Okay, I changed my stem, and I conjugated. Nosotros cerramos. I didn't change my stem because it's out of the boot, but I did conjugate my verb. Mi hermano, my brother, that's like él, ella, usted. So again, I stem changed. Cierra. Yo cierro. Okay, that's inside the boot. The yo form is there. Usted cierra. Okay, that's like él, ella, usted. Los chicos, that's like ellos, so that's in the boot. Okay, ellos is in the boot. Cierran. And ella is also in the boot, so that's cierra. Okay, I hope that if you have any questions, I'll see you tomorrow. Hasta mañana.